Cherokee 265B. The Cherokee 265B is ready to take you wherever your heart is calling you to go. With a set of double bunks that have privacy curtains in the back, you'll have tons of sleeping options for guests or kids. The full bath will keep you out of those grimy campground communal bathrooms with a clean shower and toilet for your private use. The separate entrance into the bathroom means you can get back out into the action quickly. With a toasty oven, a refrigerator, and a sink with a high-rise faucet in the kitchen, you can make home-cooked meals no problem. The U-shaped dinette is the perfect size to gather your family, and at the end of the day, it converts into a bed for extra sleeping space. When you need a break from the outdoor activities, you can stretch out on the sofa in the living room and enjoy the entertainment center. The couch also converts into a bed, so you'll have even more sleeping space here. Find solace in the master bedroom that has a comfortable queen bed and tons of storage options. As you head outside, you'll notice that the Cherokee 265B has a 15-foot awning and exterior storage compartments with radius luggage doors. Find out more at lakeshore-rv.com or call 231-788-2040.